Welcome again. Let me take you through the WordPress now. Let me take you through the menus and the function of all the of each menu in the WordPress dashboard. Now this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard, and precisely I usually hide all these things. So I usually hide it. I don't like it. So I will love it this way. So and the next thing is the main first menu you see is the home, which is this section here. Then any updates you'll be getting updates here. Then the next one is the main and the posts. The posts. This post signifies the menu for blogs. You know, at the beginning of the training, I was saying about this WordPress is used for blog. That was 2003 back then. So moreover, after the development, people begin to see it as using WordPress to build a professional website. So the post section here, you use this post section, we usually use it to post any blog, any information about the site. That is creation of blog. You want to create blog, you'll be using this post to create more content. So the media, how do you, before I move to the media, how do you post? Once you click on this post, it bring you option all posts. You want to see all posts. You want to add new posts, you click on add new post. The category of the post, maybe it's entertainment content, if it's a sports content, and much more. So you create a category. I'm not going there today, but if you want to do this, if you want to create a website for blogging, you can just use all this to create a website for blogging, but I'm not going there today. The media is where the files, the documents, the pictures, and every other media things will be saved. Once you click here, we don't have much media because we just installed the WordPress. Can you see? No media item found. So that's of the media. We move to the page. The page is um a page will tell us what the page menu. The page menu is a single page where it will tell us the actual visit of a website, which has different pages, like the home pages, the about us pages, the contact us pages. These are where you will see all the pages of a website, and the default pages that come is the privacy policy and the sample page. You can add more page, but during the course of this training you will understand the difference between pages and posts. Posts is for blogging, pages is for website menus. So comment, that is anybody, any of your posts, the comment menu comes in the sense that any of your posts on blog, anybody that comment on the post of your blog, it comes here. So it's for you now to approve the comment or not to approve the comment. There are some blog where you comment, when you go there, you comment on the blog and you will not see that your comment shows. That means the owner of the blog did not approve the blog. Then the appearance menu. Appearance menu is a section that brings out the themes of, that will show us the themes we want to use for the website. So once you come to appearance, you will see themes and you will see editor. Editor is if you want to edit the website's layout. That means you are good in coding, you come to editor and edit it. If you are not good in coding, don't come to this editor and edit it. Just stay where you are. Now the themes, once you click on the themes, you have a lot of themes, but the default themes will be these three: 2024, 2023. Because we are in 2024, you will see the first one, which this is the theme. Once you see the theme, you look at it. Once you visit the website, you will see that this is a theme that comes with it, which is a default. Can you see it? That's a default. That's a default theme. So the default theme is this one, which is 2024. We have 2023. We have, let's assume that we want to use this 2023. Let's click on activate. We click on activate. Automatically, it has been activated. Let's refresh our former one. Can you see? It has changed to this one here. Can you see that this is 2023 thing? Let's change it to another theme. Let's change it to another theme. Let's change it to 2022. Let's activate this one, this theme, and the let's refresh the new theme. Let's refresh it. Can you see it now? Can you see the difference? So that is the function of the theme. Types the default themes, and you click on add new theme. Once you click on add new theme, you see a lot of themes which are free, up to 66,502 themes here, where you can able to choose the type of theme you want. We have Hello theme, we have Abstract, we have Ocean WP, we have Candace, we have Generate Press, we have Nerves, we have Blocks, we have Popular FX, we have Royal, we have a lot of themes here. We have a lot of themes, we have a lot of themes, we have a lot of themes. And most of these themes are free. Some are not free. You have to pay a little amount of money to get the theme activated. Look at these new max. If you want to create a blog, now you can use this new max to create a blog. Once you install it, automatically the website changes to this session. Then you begin to write blogs. Then already the site becomes a blog. So but I'm not going deeply into all these things. I just want to tell us the menu function of all of these menu. Then we have the plugins. In the plugins, they are default plugins that comes with your installation. So I have deleted one of the plugins that comes with the installation. I don't need it. That's the reason why you have seen zero or no plugins there. These plugins, if you want to install more plugins, is either you click on this add new plugins here, or you click on add new plugins at the top. Now, once you click on add new plugins at the top, you will see a lot of plugins and the functions. Once you see one, this one now, classes editor, this one enables the previous class editor and the old style edit post screen with it, this, that. This is what the plugins, this one does. Now, let me check another one. This BB Press is a forum software for WordPress. That means if you want to create a website for forum where people will come and give their own ideas, people can just post something and they can be able to, other people will react and interact together. You will use these plugins to add functionality to the website. So these are plugins like that. We have a lot of plugins. We have a lot of free plugins. Now, let me quickly show us something. These plugins, let me show us this plugin. This plugin, I search WooCommerce. This WooCommerce is maybe like Jumia that sells products. People will come, people can sell, people can buy, sorry, people can buy on the website. It's through a functionality of a plugin. The plugin come to play there. People can just visit the website and see that this is a website. But if people want to buy something from that website, it's through a plugin called WooCommerce. Can you see what it says? Everything you need to launch an online store in days and keep it growing for years, from your first sale to millions in revenue. Who is with you? That is a plugin. And this course of this training, once we move forward, we are going to learn how to use this plugin. There's another plugin which I'm going to install in this present training here. It's called Elementor. Elementor. So this plugin is a website builder. It helps us to build our website perfectly. Want to build a website perfectly, you don't need to, as I've said, we don't need to code, but we need to use something that will make our website work perfectly. So these plugins, Elementor Website Builder, is the builder that will help us, support us. It's just like drag and drop. You begin to just take this one, put this one here, take this one, put this one there, then you are done with with building a website. You are done with building a website. Now the Elementor Website Builder has it all: drag and drop page builder, pixel perfect designs, mobile responsible editing, and more. Get started. So we install this plugin because we will need this plugin in the course of our training. So this plugin, just click on install. I want to show you how to install the plugin. That's why I'm using this one as an example. You click on install plugin, and once you installed, it will tell you install. Then the next thing is to click on activate. You activate the plugin, and once you activate the plugin, you have this information that the plugin is active. Then you refresh to see the plugin in the menu if it has been added to the menu. Once you refresh, take you to this session. Just click on the close at the right top section, then you get back to the WordPress dashboard. Now once you get to the WordPress dashboard, you don't do anything. You will see at the menu, you will see Elementor, you will see template, and these are the things added to the menu when we install the plugin Elementor. Now I'm through with the plugin. Let me quickly use the user. The user, these users, once you click on it, you will see the amount of people that are using your WordPress, or amount of people that have come to your website, registered on your website. If your website is for registration purpose, so you will see people that have registered on your website. You will see amount of people that have come to your website. So in this user, this is where this is the only me when I was registering or when I was installing the software WordPress. You can see I put admin as the username, and the email I use admin@holywebconcept.com.ng. The role is admin. So this is the users section. You can add more user if I want to add more user. Maybe I'm through with designing this website. I want to give my client to log in from his own session. As I can add him as a author or editor, because I don't want him to be an administrator and begin to do what he don't know on the website. I'll just add him as an editor or an author of the site. So that's of these users. Then the next thing is the tools. These tools help us to import. Maybe you have designed a website before and you want to import that website to another website. Do you understand now? So you need these tools to import. And if you have designed this website now, you want to send it to another website, instead of it building again, you can export this and upload to the other website. So automatically it will work. So then we have site health. We want to look at the website health. Then export personal data, erase personal data, and all the likes. So the next one is a setting. In this setting, pay more attention to this setting. This setting menu is one of the things that you need to know, and majorly is one of the first thing that you need to do once you installed WordPress. This setting. So once you click on setting, you click on setting, it bring you the sub-menu. We have the general. Once you click on the general, the site title, which I used when I was installing the software, Only Web Consultant Limited. Then if you want to put the tagline, maybe the slogan of the organization, you can just put it here. The site icon, which is if you want to put the icon of a site, like example the Jumia. Once you visit Jumia, you see one icon showing on your browser. So this is where they put the icons. Then the WordPress URL, you can see the URL, that is the domain name. Then you can see the site address URL, which is the domain name. You can see the administration email, which I put here. Then membership. In this section, in this membership section, if you are building a website whereby somebody can come in and register, you need to click on this, that anyone can register. If you are building a website for people that maybe the website is you want people to come in and register and log, or like a training website where people will log in and register like you have done. So is this anyone, you click on anyone can register. Then you choose the role. What do you want them to be? Is it you want them to be a subscriber? Do you want them to be a contributor? Do you want them to be an author or editor? So it depends on you. Then the site language, but majorly always put it as subscriber. The site language, English. The zone, just put it normally. Then the dates format, just put it like that. If you want to change, depends on you. The time, just put it like that. And depends on you. Maybe it's 12 a.m. You want to put it on this and that. And the week starts on, is it Monday or Sunday you want to put. So once you are done, you click on Save Changes. You click on Save Changes. Then the next thing you need to do under this setting is reading. The reading. Now the reading in this session, we have not started building the website. The default reading will be on your home page display, will be on latest post, because we have not started building. But the reason why it's in the default is in latest post is automatically the default installation of WordPress simply means you want to use it for blogging. But if we want to use it for a professional website, we need to change it from your latest post to a static page. That's the reason why I said there's difference between pages and posts. So we can see select below home page. We are going to create a page. Now going to the next session, we are going to talk about how to create a page and how to activate this page for home, for this one for about us, this one for contact us. So now, the home page, we don't have any page here, but we have only sample page. Let's assume we want to use a sample page for the home page. The post page, just put it like that. Just leave it like that. Don't use post, don't use anything. But in a case whereby you have a blog, you can just select the blog. I will show you example in the next training or the next class. You'll see what I mean. Now, then the next thing is for you to save. I use sample page because we have not created the home page. So the next thing is for us to save. Now if we visit our website now, if we visit it, let's refresh it and let's see how it look like. We have changed the home page from post to sample page. Let's refresh it and see the difference. Can you see? Can you see that this is a sample page? So now the next training we are going I'm going to the next class I'm going to train us on how to create a page and how to activate the page. But for now, let me quickly finish up with this. Now, that's the home page session, the reading session. Then the last thing you need to do on that setting is permalink. This permalink, this permalink, you need to work on it. The default permalink will comes with dates and name. Permalink structure will come with dates and name. And it's not good when somebody visits a site, they will be seeing names. No, they need to see the link of a site. They don't need to be seeing numbers that this is the date of this. So what do? You change the permalink structure to posts. Change the permalink structure to post name or custom structure, anyone. But the major one you use is post name. Then once you have changed that to post name, click on Save Changes. Click on Save Changes. And once you are done with that and every other things is perfect, then you meet me in the next class.